Sabha Khair students, my name is Arwa, and this is um, we had just in previous part I discussed error in a sum and error in a difference. We took two numericals, one from CBSE board. I would like just give you more numericals on it, and this is just extension of previous part. So let's say it is question number 3, because two numericals I already discussed in my previous video. Question number 3 says, in an experiment, two capacities measured as, let's say in an experiment, two capacities, that is 1.3 plus minus 0.1 microfarad. What is farad? Farad is a unit for capacitor. This is microfarad, unit of capacitors. Okay, so we have one and two capacities they have mass. This is the SI unit for farad is SI unit for my capacitance. Okay, and second one is 2.4 plus minus 0.2 microfarads. In the question they have said, find out the total capacity in parallel with percentage error. Total capacities they want. What they want? They want total capacity. Total capacity in parallel with percentage error. They want percentage, so they have asked two questions: total capacity in parallel and percentage error. Okay, so let's try to do it. Solution says, we have for capacitance in parallel we have to add these two values, C1 plus C2. What we have to do? We have to do C1 plus C2. If you remember, x is equals to a plus b. In just my previous video I told you. So look, this is similar, a plus b. Fine. And since C1, what is C1? C1 is equals to 1.3 and plus minus 0.1 they have given, and C2 they have given in the question, which is 2.4 plus minus 0.2 microfarads, right? So first we have to do C1 plus C2, that is true value we have to add, remember. So CP will be equals to 1.3 plus 2.4, 1.3 plus 2.4 you have to add, and this will give you 3.7 microfarads, since unit is in microfarads. 3.7 microfarad. Now we got what is this? We got mean value. What about value of delta CP? Delta CP means error, absolute error in measuring capacitance 1 and 2, and that will be plus minus. You have to add maximum. Remember, maximum error is you have to just add the errors, whether it is subtraction over here or whether it is plus over here, doesn't make difference. For maximum error, you just want to find the maximum error, and maximum error is you just have to add 0.1 plus 0.2 and it will give you 0.3, and the unit is microfarad. How could I write CP? CP I can write it as 3.7, that is mean value. I have added the mean values, this plus minus 0.3 microfarad. In next they have asked me, what about the percentage error? How much percentage error? We can find percentage error. This is also easy. I already told you. What do you mean by percentage error? Percentage error simply means total value. Total value is 3.7 and plus minus, since it is error, so error sign is plus minus. And how much error, maximum error you got? You got maximum error 0.3 and multiplied it by 100. If you do this, you will get value is equals to 8.1% plus minus. Okay. Students, let's take one more numerical on this question number 3, and this numerical says, this is very nice numerical. I would like to tell you, the sides of rectangle are, they have given the size of rectangle, sides of rectangle. What are the sides of rectangle they have given? They have given 10.5 plus minus 0.2, and one they have given 5.2 plus minus 0.1 in centimeter. Calculate its perimeter with error limits. You have to calculate the perimeter with error limits. Okay. Now look, sides of rectangle. Look, this is my rectangle, so I have two sides. One is length and other would be my breadth. So in this this is question number 4, and every question what we see, this is our main true values. Okay, so 10.5 and 5.2 is our main value, and 0.2 will be the error in this whatever we have, and 5.2 we have error of plus minus 0.1 centimeter. Students, this is larger as compared to 5.2. It means this must be length. 10.5 length is long and breadth is short, so value of breadth is 5.2, and it is 0.1 plus minus 5.2, that is we have a breadth error in our measuring the breadth, that is plus minus, and length we have 10.5 plus minus 0.2. This is our mean error, absolute error of course. Okay, fine, let's try to do it. So what is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter is equals to length into breadth. Oh sorry, it is area. Twice of L plus B. I'm sorry. Twice of L plus B. So what is our main value? Main value or true value is 10.5 and 5.2. So what you have to do? First 10.5 plus 5.2. Add it up, solve it, and you will get 2, that is 15.7. then the 14 to 5 is 10 and 11 and 13, that is our perimeter. Now since it is addition, x is equals to a plus b, remember x, so whether it is summation doesn't matter. Don't worry students, whether it is summation, no, don't worry, you just have to add the errors. What our error is? So delta p is equals to, again delta p is equals to twice of plus minus, again twice of plus minus, that is delta L plus delta B. What is our delta L? This is our delta L and this is our delta B. Remember, addition of the errors. And why I write it 2 over here? Because it is perimeter. Formula of perimeter, since we are calculating perimeter, so perimeter is equals to twice of L plus B. So in the main formula we have to use twice of L plus B, but now we are just adding up the errors. So since we are calculating perimeter, if you have, look students, if you have error in your values in your physical quantities, that is L and B, so of course you will get in error in your perimeter also. So perimeter true value we have calculated, so perimeter error, absolute error in perimeter, we also have to calculate the error in our perimeter also. The formula will be same, that is twice of L plus B. Okay, that is plus minus 2 of 0.2 plus minus 0.1, not plus minus 1, just add, you have to add it, plus minus 2 into 3, that is 0.6. okay, 0.6 centimeter. Any problem? So hence perimeter is equals to P plus minus of delta P, that is 31.4 plus minus 0.6 centimeter. And by chance they said you what would be the by chance they have said you what will be the percentage error. So percentage error in calculating perimeter is very simple, plus minus 0.6 divided by 13.1.4 into 100. You calculate by yourself. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.